A lot of times data comes to us and it is completely not ready. It is a mess like this here. We've got a column of data where the IDs, names, ages, and emails are all smashed up against each other. And let's look specifically at Margot Jeffries and see the tricks we're going to face when we have to separate these different fields. We've got NC408 and then Margot Jeffries, comma, PhD, comma, JD, comma, 51 years old, then the 3 asterisks, and then Margot's email address. We do want to keep the professional designations PhD and JD along with the name. So we're separating ID, name, age, email. All right, let's get at it. Put our cursor in the data set, data from table/range. Now this is going to be exciting because it's way easier than this looks. First, let's split by those 3 asterisks. Get rid of those. By delimiter, split column, and it's guessing if we want to split by 1 asterisk, and it's picking custom as our delimiter. No, we want to split by the 3 asterisks. At each occurrence of the delimiter, yes, okay. That's one thing down. Next, let's split out the age. And we're going to split by the comma, but we've got to be careful. If we split by all of the commas, then the professional designations are going to start to fly apart. Here's a beautiful thing. With that column highlighted, split column by delimiter. Now watch this. I'm going to split by custom by comma space so that we don't have a space to clean up later. And we're going to split by the rightmost delimiter only. Rightmost, because that's where the age is. Okay. Look at that. Now, how do we split the ID from the name? With that column highlighted still, split column by digit to non-digit, where the last character in the ID is a digit. So let's do that. Split by digit to non-digit. Now we just have to rename the columns: ID, name, age, and email. We did it. Close and load this to the workbook. Exactly what we wanted. And a lot of times we see this when we might copy some data off of a web page and paste it into Excel, or break something out of a PDF, or we opened up a CSV and things are all smashed together. But you can unsmash it if you know how to split columns by delimiter.